career break was mainly because of my motherhood. During the birth of my second child,
Unfortunate incident involving my father.
Child because of COVID.
We had a single child, so I wanted to spend some time
to take care of my kids,
to take care of my family members,
Manage my personal life for prioritizing my family.
everyone took your time for granted.
Demotivation, lack of having a direction.
When you want to do something in life and you know you cannot do it at current moment.
I was feeling that I'm just going behind,
How should I manage this time?
The situation is always unexpected and unknown.
I can't sit at home and I love my job. To get that life again, I wanted to go back to the corporate.
when my second kid also started going to school, then I decided, okay, let's restart my career journey.
Courage was always there. Drive was always there. Because without the passion and drive, courage also fails.